Hi, my name is Jess and this is Dan. We've just set up all our lights just in time before it got dark. Guys, that was so easy to set up. No wonder people are really loving these lighting kits.
Yeah, so first we put up our 4 Ya'Mate rigid 50cm LED light strips. The exterior protects against water and dust. It's IP65 rated. It's a perfect all-weather solution for your lighting.
And it's also really adjustable with just a simple knob. You can go up dimmer or brighter.
There's a heap of gear in the bag there. You get a 1.5 metre extension lead. You've got a 12-volt cigarette plug. You've got also your clamps for your battery, which has got a cigarette plug on the end of it. You can just put it in there. She's good to go. Also in the bag, you've got Velcro strips on there. And you might not use them, but if it's pretty windy or things are moving around a bit, then Velcro strips really make a difference.
Next up is my favourite Ya'Mate BiColor LED light strip, which is designed to light up a larger area.
And also too, these with the BiColor, it's warm and cool and hopefully should get rid of some of these bugs you can see everywhere with the orange.
So click the link somewhere on this video or visit EFS4WD.com.au.
Or call 1300 337 493 to get in contact with your local dealer.